So you ain't clean your makeup brushes? I'm kidding. Please stay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JMA, and for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick and easy way to clean your makeup brushes. So stay tuned. All right, before we get started, here's what you need: your dirty makeup brushes, of course, a makeup brush cleaning pad, and some Dial antibacterial soap. You can use any soap you like. Just make sure it's antibacterial. That's super important, just to make sure your brushes are nice and clean, and most importantly, germ-free. Now, to actually start cleaning, here's the fastest and most efficient method I've found. Grab your bar of Dial antibacterial soap, dip your brush into a bit of water, then start brushing it directly onto the bar of soap. Swirl it around a few times until you see the makeup start to break down right away. Keep swirling and rinsing until your brush is clean. See? Now that's all clean. Just repeat those same steps for the rest of your brushes and you're good to go. Well, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's your girl Jada May, and I'll see you in the next one.